What if I told you that becoming rich isn't about one grand, heroic action? It's not about winning the lottery. It's not about a single lucky stock pick. Instead, true, lasting wealth is built brick by brick. It's constructed through a series of small, almost invisible habits. These habits are so tiny they often feel insignificant in the moment. You might not notice their effect today, or even this week, but over months and years, these tiny actions compound. They build upon each other, creating a powerful momentum that can fundamentally change your financial destiny. This is the unseen architecture of wealth, a system built not on luck, but on discipline. The journey to $1 million or any significant financial goal often seems daunting. The secret is to ignore the mountain. Instead, focus on taking a single, manageable step today. The first and most fundamental habit is the relentless pursuit of 1% improvement. Aim to get just 1% better at something every single day. It could mean finding one way to save an extra dollar. It could mean reading one page of a book about investing. It could mean spending 1 minute less on an impulse buy website. The action itself is less important than the consistency of the improvement. 1% seems like nothing. It's easy to dismiss, but the math behind it is staggering. If you get 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll end up 37 times better by the time you're done. This is the power of compounding applied not just to money, but to your skills and knowledge. Consider the entrepreneur who improved one tiny thing each day. Product copy, checkout button visibility, shipping costs, and over years turned a small store into a multi-million-dollar business. Ask yourself each night, how can I be 1% better with my money tomorrow? Make the change so small it's almost impossible to say no. Pack a lunch, unsubscribe from one marketing email. Perhaps the most powerful financial habit you can adopt is to pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. This is not a suggestion, it's a mandate. It means the very first bill you pay when you receive your income is to your future self. Before you pay for rent, groceries, entertainment, you allocate a portion to savings or investments. Most people do the opposite. They pay all their bills, spend on wants, and then save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. For most people, there is rarely anything left over. Paying yourself first flips the script. Make savings a priority, a non-negotiable expense. Treat your savings like your most important creditor. It sends a clear signal to your brain that your future financial security is more important than immediate gratification. Set up an automatic transfer the day after payday. Don't rely on willpower, make it automatic. Start small if you must, even $20 per paycheck. Habit matters more than the amount. Over time, you can increase the percentage. This single automated action ensures you consistently build wealth. It runs regardless of motivation. Wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about accumulating knowledge. Many of the world's most successful people practice the 5-hour rule. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, they dedicate at least 1 hour per weekday, 5 hours per week, to deliberate learning. This isn't passive consumption, it's focused reading, reflection, and experimentation. Your earning potential is tied to your learning potential. Learning compounds like an investment. This habit fights the career plateau many hit after formal education. Start today. Block 30 minutes in your calendar. Use your commute for podcasts. Read 10 pages before bed. Treat learning like a work meeting. Schedule it. Don't cancel it. Over a year, those 30-minute blocks become 180+ hours. Knowledge opens doors money alone cannot buy. How can you manage what you do not measure? A powerful habit is the daily financial check-in. This is a 2-minute ritual. It's not about complex spreadsheets or an hour of agonizing. It's a moment to look at your financial picture. Log into your bank, credit card, and investment app. Know your balances. See where money is going. This awareness lets you make small course corrections before problems escalate. This breaks the anxiety loop. Numbers become just data, not judgment. Think of a pilot scanning instruments. Altitude, speed, fuel, heading. They make low-level adjustments constantly. Your finance app is your instrument panel. Link the 2-minute check to an existing routine. After you pour your morning coffee, glance at your accounts. Use an aggregator app, so one glance gives you the whole picture. You can catch an unexpected charge or dip in savings and resolve it immediately. 2 minutes prevents weeks of worry. The most effective habits are the ones that require no ongoing effort. Willpower is finite. Relying on it to save each month is flawed. The secret is to remove yourself from the equation. Design a system that saves for you automatically. Set recurring transfers, emergency fund to high-yield savings, brokerage for investments, small jars for vacations or down payments. Set transfers the day your paycheck hits so the money moves before you can spend it. Small purchases add up. The latte factor. Automation beats small savings plans done by willpower. Calculate what you can save, then set an automatic transfer. $10 a day seems hard, but scheduling a $300 monthly transfer is one-time work. This puts your wealth building on autopilot. Identify 2 or 3 top goals. Open separate accounts and schedule transfers the day after payday. Confirm setup. Once done, your habit runs in the background. You've outsourced your discipline to technology. One of the smartest moves you can make. Progress happens even when motivation wanes. One of the most overlooked habits for building long-term wealth has nothing to do with money directly. It has to do with your health. The phrase, "health is wealth," is not a cliché. It is a profound financial truth. Neglecting health is one of the costliest financial mistakes. Medical bills can wipe out savings. Poor health can end your earning years prematurely. Make daily micro-investments in health. Small, consistent actions, not extremes. Choose stairs, drink water, get 7-8 hours of sleep. Healthy people have more energy and focus, leading to higher productivity and better career prospects. They pay less in medical costs and can work longer, extending compounding years. Build habits by making them small and obvious. Shoes by the door, a pitcher of water on your desk. Set bedtime alarms and design cues that default you to healthy choices. Small health investments compound into a long, vibrant life. More earning years, less cost, more joy. This is the ultimate long-term play. Your net worth is often a reflection of your network. The people you surround yourself with influence your mindset and opportunities. This isn't transactional networking. Wealthy people deliberately nurture relationships and provide value without expectation. Small acts of help compound into social capital. The habit can be tiny. Send 1 email or text a day checking in with someone. Share a helpful article or make an introduction. 5 minutes that build goodwill. Keep a simple system, a connections list in your Notes app, and pick one person each morning. A small daily act keeps your network warm and turns contacts into a supportive community. This is a long-game investment. Plant and water relationships over time. The opportunity that makes you wealthy may come from someone you helped 3 years ago. Each morning, pick one person and add value. Don't overthink. A simple "I was thinking of you" goes far. This tiny ritual costs minutes but can produce priceless returns. The final habit may seem disconnected from money, but it is deeply tied to a wealthy mindset. The habit is practicing daily gratitude. A short journal each morning or night. Write 3 to 5 specific things you are thankful for each day. This shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, changing decisions from fear-based to growth-based. A scarcity mindset leads to hoarding cash and missed opportunities. Gratitude builds optimism and resilience. Be specific, not "I'm grateful for family," but "I'm grateful my partner made me laugh today." Set 5 minutes, before bed or on waking, and write. It costs nothing but yields mindset shifts. This practice reduces fear, increases openness to opportunities, and supports your financial system. Gratitude makes you resilient. You approach problems from resourcefulness, not fear. This wealthy mindset precedes a wealthy bank account. Place a notebook by your bed. Tonight or tomorrow morning, write 3 specific things you are grateful for. Small practice, big result. We explored tiny habits, improving by 1%, paying yourself first, learning, daily check-ins, automating savings, investing in health, nurturing networks, and gratitude. Individually, they seem trivial. $1 saved, 1 page read, 1 text sent. They don't just add up, they compound, amplifying each other into non-linear growth. Learning boosts earnings. Earning enables more automatic saving. Checking daily manages growth. The breakthrough isn't a single moment. It's the system. The 2 minutes, the 30 minutes, the single auto transfer. It's a quiet, unglamorous process. The delayed reward for thousands of small choices. Pick one habit. Make it so small you cannot fail. Automate $1/day. Read one paragraph, send one text. Master that tiny action, then build on it. Your journey to wealth begins now, with a single tiny choice. Be encouraged by the power of the first step. Make a promise in a journal. Press start on a habit tracker. Commit. Start now. One tiny choice today compounds into a fortune over time.